Hi YouTube family, hello my loves. Hope you're having a lovely when is today, mama? Today is on Wednesday. Hope you're having a lovely Wednesday. I'm having a lovely Wednesday. Ask me why, guys. I've just seen that on YouTube they have changed the terms on YouTube, and they have said that in order for you to get paid you have to have 500 subscribers and I guess 3,000 watch hours. Wow. I'm like, Mungu no anyway, I don't want to speak a lot, guys, but I'm so excited about those news. And Kasema, why not do a YouTube video? Say hi, mama.
Hi.
Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Subscribe to mommy's YouTube channel.
Hi.
Cynthia?
Yes.
So guys, in today's video I want to show you guys how to do some kienyeji. Let me show you the kienyeji. This is indomie that we're going to have for lunch, and it's at 3:05. We have, that's not the point. Here's the kienyeji, guys. Here is this whole bunch is 34. We have unajiona here. This is saga. I know I'm a Kikuyu and I love kienyeji. And we have this one. This is kanzela. Yes. So this is what I'm going to show you guys how I do it. You know, there are different ways of doing it, but I'm going to show you my way, right? Yes. So in the meantime, let's cook indomie and prepare them, clean them and cook them, right, mama?
Mama, ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. You're going to have mboga for supper. Yes. So for now, let's cook our indomie, guys, and then catch up later. Here's another thing, guys, I wanted to show you. I added in some balls. I don't know if you can see them right here. I added in some balls. Oh, I love them. You see what they look like? Quick mat. And here, some plates. They're plastic because Chloe does not want me to shine with glass plates. They are plastic. For the meantime, before I grow. And also, there's something else. Let me turn the camera for you guys. Don't mind Taona. Then there is this steel rack to hold cups and everything. You see, guys, the way it looks cute. Okay, let me turn around. Let me come on this side. Yes. Perfect. See how it looks so nice, guys. I love it. Though haijatoshea vyombo zangu zote. Nimetoshea just a few, but I can't complain because I did not have it. So yes, that's what's new, my loves. progress. Nimetoanisha and nimekatakata hii kwa sababu it's in big pieces. You see, it looks like skuma, like kale. So you see, so I have had to cut it into small pieces, but the saga I've not cut it. I think this is going to be enough for tonight, and then the rest. See guys, this is saving money, because if I had gone to a kibanda I would have used like 50 bob, and hiyo mboga haingeenda for lunchtime and supper time. So this one is 60 bob, and we're going to have it today, tomorrow lunch, and I'm going to save this one. You see, saving money. So that's it guys. And then I'm watching Felicity and Redna, and also feeding baby. I'm multitasking guys. I'm already done preparing the greens. I have them here, they are done. So the next step we're going to do, we are going to boil them for like 3 minutes, and then squeeze out the water yote, and then use the onion and the tomato and milk and some Rego cubes. Don't mind here, in a peel off, I don't know why, and some cubes. So guys, hope you follow along. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, and all the good stuffs guys.